Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect headphone to our Redmi phone. Friends you have connected any headphone and friends you want to disconnect to your Redmi phone. So friends how can you disconnect? Today I will show you guys in this video guys how to disconnect headphone in our Redmi phone. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all friends we will on our phone setting to disconnect this headphone and guys scroll it. As you can see your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here guys, click on guys which headphone guys you have connected guys. I have connected guys this BT company headphone and guys right side is option guys, tap here to disconnect. Hence you can see guys this type of setting. Hence you can see this unpair option guys, tap here to disconnect. So it will unpair to your phone guys, you cannot use guys. You want to use guys, you will have to connect again. So like that guys you can unpair your headphone to Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going please go and like the video guys, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.